So, as a Windows user, I've always wondered what's the point of having macOS when the products that exclusively use it have quite a premium price tag on them. So, other than me just being a clueless macOS user, let's learn about why you should choose macOS. So, welcome to the final part of 5 Reasons series to see what are the 5 reasons you should use macOS. But, like always, before we begin, be sure to subscribe so that all your wishes will come true. Anyways, back to the video. Starting off our list is the iCloud. So we all should know what cloud saving is. But if you don't for some reason, long story short, you save your data onto a personal remote server that can be accessed by multiple devices owned by you. iCloud is similar, but in classic Apple fashion, bringing its own twist to it. For most devices, you have to either upload to different services like Google Drive or OneDrive. But if you own an Apple device, they can transfer information amongst their devices seamlessly. An example is that you can transfer your contacts, notes, apps, photos, and even music from one device to another. So if you're using an iPhone, iPad, or a Mac, you can easily transfer data between them without any hassle. You can even transfer your data from an old iPhone to your new one. There's even a feature called Dropbox where you can easily transfer data to multiple devices by just dragging and dropping. Number 2 on our list is power efficiency. I know, before you write it in the comments that we are talking about power efficiency when we are talking about an operating system, but here's out a little bit. macOS is more or less exclusive to Apple products, and most of their parts are in-house built. But even before its M1 chip release, Apple devices have known to have great battery life. But how? Apple has carefully tuned and optimized its operating system's battery management. Even if you compare today, macOS with the same Intel processor as Windows laptop, macOS devices has longer battery life compared to Windows. But now, with the new M1 chip, their own hardware, they are able to bring out even better battery life from their MacBooks. On our number 3 spot is the UI or user interface and user experience. macOS has always had a cleaner and tidier interface, while even though not being customizable, for many users it's a very tidy experience and easy to use. To simply put, even Windows 11 might be taking some notes from how the user interface and user experience is done on the macOS. Check out Windows 11 as well. Number 4. Information security. Now that we've mentioned iCloud is very effective in what it does with transferring data from one device to another. That being said, macOS has a lot of security measures that helps protect your information altogether. A quote from their official website regarding macOS: macOS works at the very core of your Mac to keep your system safe from malware. This starts with state-of-the-art antivirus software built in to block and remove malware. Using softwares like XD, ASLR, and SIP, these ensure that processes with root permissions cannot change critical system files. If you want to go into more detail about these features, you can visit their website where it will be in the description. Last but not least, at number 5, we have the Final Cut Pro. Let's start with, well, what it is. Final Cut Pro is software that is exclusive to macOS, which specializes in video editing. And boy does it specialize. With not only the typical features you would find in something like Premiere Pro, but it also comes with a very advanced color corrector and adjuster, a multicam feature that can automatically sync up to 64 angles of video with different formats, frame sizes, and frame rates, and even frame adjusters for different devices like phones or iPads. If you want to know more, you can check the link again in the description.